those stand in there? They like to put the drinks?
Oh, what's the name?
It's nice, man. Hey,
No.
Go play with your bucket.
where's your bucket, Punk? You getting thirsty?
Ola.
That
Ola.
bucket.
No.
You don't have any water to give?
No, they don't need no water.
Bucket.
Go.
Go find his own
I
water.
think the bucket is somewhere. I don't know where it is though.
You got a bucket at home, you can go
You
drink.
better
it.
watch your drink.
I know you're getting thirsty.
Yeah, that
Get out.
that bucket
Getting
he's playing with, that's what for the dog's water in. What did he do with his bucket?
Oh, that's what you put his water in?
It's all torn up, I think. Where did you put that?
I don't know where he put it.
I'll pick that up later.
I'm gonna go search for it. Oh, frick. No. Whoa. Oh, right. I forgot about that. You want to follow me? Come on. Look, come see.
He's got a water bucket at his house. They can run over there and
Go
drink.
play with James. Come on.
What, man?
Or you do like Angie.
Play with James.
Feed it out of the
Out of the bottle.
thing of water.
I'm gonna go search for your bucket. I don't know where it is. Can you go find your bucket?
Go find your bucket, fix the water.
And now he's playing with the raid can.
Oh, yeah, they're cool.
Okay, now he's having fun.
64 in there. I think that's the last
That
of it.
little
I'll
dog.
bring y'all a
having so
little
much
12
fun.
There,
ounce
you
case
see
of
that
Mount
cup right
Valley.
there?
Some good water.
Oh.
Well, you drank it already at the
Trash.
house. Y'all tasted it at the house.
What's that?
At Mountain Valley. Y'all liked it?
Look inside
Hey,
the
let me see
trash
this.
can.
Pretty good.
I bet he'll like to play with it. Go. No, Granny, let me see one of the water cans. He wants one of the water cans. Let him have one of the water cans. Have it. Don't eat the paper though, bro.
Well, you found the bucket?
Oh, frick, my back.
Did you
Ah,
find the bucket?
nope. Can't find it. Oh, frick. I found it.
Okay, see? Not good. You got a thing too?
Looks like he cracked it bad. Here you go. Get it. Get a bucket. Get a bucket. That bucket, your enemy. Huh. Fight! No! No, do not jump!
One time I seen it all happen.
Do not! No! Ola! No! God!
Hey.
It's hard having these dogs coming around. I do like Ola though, so. Ola's a pretty nice little dog.
Ola's cool.
Yeah,
Yeah, Ola's cool. Yeah, you did good. Yeah, you did.
It is so cute.
Yeah,
Like, she is so cute. Hey, you want to go play with
Playful.
her raid can?
Mhm.
She don't want to play with her raid can anymore. Okay, I'm going to end the video there.
So you did the whole thing of her playing with the bucket? Look, now you're playing with the rag.
Wait, is that That is a towel. Now she's going back to the water. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. I have nothing left to do, so yeah, I'm just gonna end the video at 4 minutes, I guess.
That's it.
Oh, frick. Oh, frick.